Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to create Facebook fan page. Facebook page. So when you log in to your there is a place here called create. Click on it and then click on page. So it brings you to this place. Business brand or community public figure. So we're going to start with this. Click get started. Give it a name. Say fan page. Business. So let's find category. What will our business do? Maybe online. So non-profit, governmental, charities, etc. Online business. Okay, internet marketing service, for instance. So you put address AN blah 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 blah. Phone number optional. So I click continue. So asking me to a city, that is Accra. Ghana. Phone number is optional. Add a photocopy, upload a profile picture. Okay, so this is what we'll do. We'll go to Canva. So this is www.canva.com. Come here, this is my page, this is here. So here, there's a lot of these things to be choosing from. See, I've been using this thing. You see, your design, this is my design. This is my YouTube thumbnails that I've been using, a lot of them. You see. Okay, so not much I do. You can come to social media. So click on social media, takes you to this place. So I want to take Facebook cover. Facebook cover. It's a free one. It's written free here. So you can use it. So because I'm in a hurry, I will just take this one, but if you have time, you can come here and play. Business page, and then so you can do whatever you do because I'm in a hurry. And you click transfer title. So let me give it a title. Business page, yes. So you click here and click download. I click save. Likewise, after I finish that one, come here and then scroll down, and see, this is logos. So when you click here, take you to this place. So let's say I want to have this one as my logo. So I will change the text. So business page. business business page or page business. What is the name? Page business. So it's page business, and then page business. Okay. So I think I'm okay with it. I don't have time to be doing a lot. Do this one. Page business logo. So I click download. To download. So it's downloaded. We come back to our tutorial we are doing. So we click here. Upload picture. So go to my download page and take a page. Page business. Page business logo. I'll have to have a cover. So I click here. Page business. Now I'm supposed to cover this place. So this is a picture that we created. So this is our logo, and these are cover. So from here you can invite friends to like your page. So this is how to create a Facebook fan page. See, and then can create a post. Yes, but not now. So folks, this is how to create a Facebook page. If you like, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I have a quality, and every week I bring a lot of videos on my channel. So please subscribe to my channel, and this is how to create a Facebook fan page. Thank you.